in the end of April, it started to work Moscow River navigation system, guys. So now, from today, everyone who is right now in Moscow can take a cruise and explore beautiful Moscow River from the boat. If you want to see more about it, guys, I invite you today to this special festival. If you want to see what kind of Russian cruises we have, how it works, Russian cruise navigation systems, what kind of ships we have, guys, please continue with this video. It will be very useful, very interesting. Let's have fun. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. For this special event I came to Rechnoy Vokzal, so this metro station Rechnoy Vokzal, and it's located on the north of Moscow, guys, and here is the main river point, and from this place all cruises started from here. So all cruises which you see in Moscow, they came from this place. And today, guys, we have special festival because now it's opening a Russian cruises system. Everyone can take a cruise, explore Moscow. So we have one cruise, we call it Radisson cruise. It's only one which is working all year, so means 365 days. And so don't worry, if you come to Russia in winter time, also you can explore Moscow from the cruise, but it will be, of course, the closed boat. But if you want to explore Moscow from the open boat, it's better, of course, to come from May. And guys, let's see what kind of festival it's here. So let's go. So who is watching me regularly can be surprised about my dresses. Guys, yes, it's again cold in Moscow. The temperature today is +4, and this morning it was snowing. Yeah, so spring is crazy. Like 2 days ago it was +27. We were wearing shorts, sandals, but now we are wearing the winter jacket. So it's spring, guys. And actually, yes, right now it's end of the April. Today is April 27. Yes, it's true, it's cold. I do this video not in winter. And this, guys, you can see, this is the Vokzal, so we say Rechnoy River Vokzal. It looks like this. So from this place you can take a ticket and take a boat. So what we have here, guys, we have some concert, some Russian singers. So guys, in this chateau you can see maquettes of Russian Navy systems, Russian ships, very beautiful. Yes, you can see there are different type of them. Also one of belongs to the police. And guys, right now let's go inside to this Rechnoy Vokzal. So you can see it's built in 1933, guys. You can see very, very old, and you can see Moscow equal to Volga. Wow, guys, very beautiful. You can see very beautiful building. So you can see it's working from 8 to 8. Right now we are inside in this building. So it was built during Soviet Union time, and as usual, Soviet Union architecture is very, very magnificent. So amazing, yes. So symbols of Soviet Union, guys. Look at this cell. Wow, so beautiful. And guys, it's going to be some musician concert, I think. Yeah. Wow, guys, you can see here some activities for kids. Paint your friends. It's cool, guys. Really cool. So the name of this restaurant, Volga, guys, you know, Volga, it's one of the biggest river in Europe, and we have restaurant which calls Volga. And this cruise center means here you can buy some tickets, some tours, I think. Here in this center, you can see we have this navigation system. What does it mean? That you can choose cruise, right? So, you can have cruise not only in Moscow, which is more popular, of course. In Moscow, cruise takes usually 1 hour, 2 hours, maximum 3 hours. And guys, also you can book a cruise from Moscow to another city. Guys, let's have a look. So, for example, look at this. Moscow, Klязin, Moscow. So the cruise will be for 3 days, guys, and it costs 20,000 rubles. So, guys, it's amazing. It's cool. Yes, of course, you can choose different kind of options. Rus Великая ship, it has 95 meters длина, length, yes. Then it's wide, 13.5 meters, and it could be 186 passengers. The name of this теплоход, yes, the cruise, the name of this cruise, Русь Великая. It has restaurant, bar, night discotheque, concert hall, and yeah. What kind of cruise you can take? For example, you come to Moscow, or maybe you're already right now in Moscow, guys, and how you can explore other Russian cities. Yes, you guys, you always ask me what kind of cities you can visit, because yes, of course, Russia, guys, it's not only Moscow and St. Petersburg. There are also other amazing cities. So, guys, let's see. Good idea. So from today, from April, yes, there are working a lot of ships here working navigation system. And let's see what kind of cruise you can take. For example, you are in Moscow. You can see it's right in Moscow. And the most popular cruise and the short one is from Moscow to Углич city, Tver city, and it takes 3 days. So means 1 day you come to let's say Tver, then you spend time here, then you have excursion, and then you come back. Also, guys, the longest one, 7 days, like you can see, you go from Moscow, you see all of these cities, and guys, you can reach Karelia, guys. This is Karelia. This is a place which I recommend you to visit. Then from Karelia, you go to St. Petersburg, guys, and it will take for you 7 days from Moscow to Karelia, then St. Petersburg. Then from St. Petersburg, you can, guys, come back. You can come back by train, or you can come back by airplane, and it's amazing. So the ship is going with a low speed, like 20 kilometers per hour, and it has tour, it has an excursion, guys, everything included. So how much cost? 1 day, 10,000 rubles. No, 10,000 rubles depends on what course today. Like if $1, 100 rubles, so like $100. So 10,000 rubles per day. If you have cruise for 3 days, so it will be 30,000 rubles. If you have cruise 7 days, it will be 70,000 rubles, and it is including living inside, food, and it's excluded excursion and everything. Also, guys, next option you can see from Moscow, guys, you can go to Nizhny Novgorod, guys. So I also can recommend you Nizhny Novgorod, Kazan city, Ufa, Пермь, Samara, Astrakhan, Volgograd, Rostov-на-Дону, guys. So you can see all these cities you can visit in summer. If you're planning your summer holiday, guys, right now, why not come to Russia? It will be cool. So you can spend a few days in Moscow, and then, for example, you can spend 1 week in a cruise. And during 1 week, guys, you can explore different Russian cities. It's really, I think it's nice that to explore the cities from the cruise, not from boring way like going to the train or to the airplane. So, guys, write me please in comments, do you want me to try this cruise? If most of people write in comments that you want me to try this cruise, guys, I will take it and I will do video. So please write me what kind of cruise do you want me to take. Do you want me to take short cruise for 3 days, or maybe should I take the longest one and, for example, go to St. Petersburg from Moscow and go to St. Petersburg through the Karelia, guys. Wow, it's so cool. So write me in comments, do you want me or not? So guys, let's go to the embankment and let's see to the real ships, not on maquettes. And guys, music. Guys, you know, I really love everything which belongs to the water. Lakes, rivers, oceans. Maybe because I was born close to Pacific Ocean. You know, guys, yes, I was born on Kamchatka. Yeah, I will share here on the map. It's very, very far from Moscow. It takes 9 hours by flight. I was born. Maybe that's why I love, guys, I love water. Wow, guys, it's so amazing. Look at this. I really happy right now. So, guys, now we can see this building from the river side. Yes, so we started this video from the garden side. And yes, it's very, very windy. Of course, it's windy because it's river, Moscow River, guys. You can see this Moscow River. This location, guys, in Russian language we call it Prichal. Prichal means place when you start your cruise. Also, why I like this location? Because, guys, here it's always quiet. Also, like you can see, today is a festival and also not much people today here. And if you come here in not in festival like in any other day, also you will see no people. So guys, you can see here you can have a seat and take a sun baths. And guys, here is, guys, very, very, very romantic. And if you're going to visit Moscow with your husband, wife, I highly recommend you come to this place and take a cruise, guys. It's very romantic. And it's really amazing idea for dating. Yes, if you're thinking what's the best place for dating a woman, I think this one. No, for me, yes, but I think most of girls, they will say like this. And guys, if you want me to be your tour guide, if you want me show you Moscow, if you want me arrange this cruise also, guys, you can hire me like your tour guide, guys. Also, I can provide for you full travel support, like invitation letter, insurance for getting travel visa, and for business visa, guys. Very easy, just contact me by email, annaglobaltravel@gmail.com, guys, and I will be your guide here in Russia and show you everything here. And I will make your trip, guys, very easy, very fun, and cool. So, guys, you can see this is a small ship. They provide cruises for Moscow River, and usually it takes 1 hour, or it could be 2 hours, and it's cool. And they have a restaurant inside or bar, depends on the ship level. And guys, let's see this one, the biggest, I think. Let's see, it's more close. And guys, you can see this is cash desk, we call it kassa. And here you can buy a ticket. Also you can buy, of course, it's online. And guys, you can see everywhere, guys, of course, everything is written in the Russian language. And guys, if you want to understand Russian letters, if you want to know Russian, no, at least to know basic one, maybe just for your travel, I can teach you guys. just go to my website, annaglobaltravel.ru, very easy. You will find it, it's in the description of the video. You will see all details, how you can learn Russian language with me face-to-face, or you can take my course, guys, and welcome to learn Russian. The name of this ship, Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov, it's one of the famous Russian writers. Also, you know, Chekhov, he also was a doctor. He was famous by his statement, his quote. He said, "Краткость сестра таланта," means to be short is a talent. So if you are thinking what kind of Russian books to read, you can start from Chekhov books. There are short poems, easy to read. Yeah, guys, from this ship you can go to the cruise. Wow, amazing. And actually, guys, you can see there are a lot of ships. Also, if we go straight, we will see another one. So, dear friends, I hope you like this festival. Write me please in comments what do you think about it, and have you ever tried the cruise in your city, in your country? What do you think about it? I think, guys, it's one of the best way for traveling is take a cruise. It's so nice. It's so not typical. And guys, if you like what I do, you can support me. You can always put like, leave a comments, guys. It helps me and it motivates me to continue to do more videos with you, and it helps YouTube algorithms to share the video for other people. And guys, if you want to support this channel financially, you can send your super chat, super sticker here, and you can become a member of my channel, be a sponsor, and provide monthly support. Also, guys, welcome. In the description of the video you will find all options how you can support me: PayPal, donation alerts, and other options, buy me coffee. So welcome, guys. If you want me to continue do these videos, if you like what I do, you can support financially, or just put like and share some comments. And see you guys for my next vlogs. You can click here and you will find another videos. I'm sure you will like it. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. Пока-пока. From Russia is love.